So now it's time to talk about the pains you and your solution or your company might be able to solve, and the gains, so the value you bring to the table. We've talked about value before we started the workshop, so you have some insight into it. How to conduct it is I like to provide you with an example. For example, there's a company called ActiV. It's a Polish startup. As you see, boost your team's health and culture. It's about engaging team members within sports activities and to boost the internal culture of the company. And when coming back to pains and gains, for example, for a HR manager, the pain that this might be solving, the solution might be solving, is that it has a challenge. It has a task created by the CEO, by his or her supervisor, about trying to connect the culture of the company a little bit more. So solving this type of problems might be relevant for the HR manager. But when it comes to the CEO, the value will be a little bit different, because the CEO, of course, yes, he or she is interested in culture, but the true value will lie in statistics of how much sports activities within a company culture can boost the productivity. So think of this example when you will be establishing the pain points and the gains you are trying to solve for your clients.